My local masjid in Birmingham has started to combine the Maghrib with Eeshaa until the end of August. Is this permissible because of summer? If they do combine the prayer and I come to the masjid when they have started Eeshaa, can I pray behind the Imam and say Salaam and sit for the third Rakaat even though Imam will be standing up?
So this masjid in Birmingham, they combine the prayer, or in Manchester as well, they do combine the prayer during the months where there is this phenomena of what is white light will be there all the way, all the night. So the first question is that, can they combine? Well, if they combine, it's up to them, because they said this is what they think and they believe, that their Isha is late. For them, for example, 11:15 is late for people, or 11:30, I don't know, maybe 11:45 there in their places, maybe, Allahu A'lam. But if it is the case, they could make a combination, and this combination because of this late, and they have taken fatwa from somebody who's a scholar or somebody who's knowledgeable, alhamdulillah, no problem. Now, for you to come to the combined prayer and you caught up with Isha and he's doing Maghrib, yeah, what you do Maghrib, and that's the correct opinion. You start with your Maghrib. So you start with them, with the Isha, and you start with your Maghrib. In the third Rak'ah, he's going to go up, and you're going to be doing your tashahhud for the last Rak'ah of your Maghrib. So you'll be intending mufaraqah to detach yourself from the Jama'ah. And if you believe in that combination as well, as soon as you finish, and as long as you finish before the salutation of the Imam in the Isha, you could just join them and do the Isha as well. So you could combine as well, make the combination. As long as you caught anything from the Isha prayer, then you could make the combination, inshallah. Naam.